Hello everyone, today I've got for you Sideloader 3 update. There was some stuff that the original design was missing, and today I've decided to fix that. So this is basically a Sideloader 3.1 video. This is Sideloader 3. You may have seen my previous video about it. It's a pretty cool design, but it needs couple of changes. The biggest problem right now is that you can't adjust the display and combiner position. I found that it may be difficult to get it right in front of the eye for some people. I've decided that the easiest way to fix that is to get rid of this black plastic square and replace it with adjustable screw mounting. I will also be doing some work on the electronics cover so that it will use self-tapping screws for enclosure. I've also decided to include couple of screw holes on the other side of the headband for any kind of accessories. I will also make it slightly longer. First, let's disassemble the old version. I will reuse all of the components for the new build. During the disassembly, make sure you are being extra careful. All of the parts are super easy to damage. I've also thought about adding small crease right here for easier magnifier disassembly. This way you could simply pop out the lenses using tweezers. This time, however, I will have to pry out the magnifiers the hard way. And finally, the display itself. This part is actually super easy to remove. Here I've got all of the parts left after the disassembly. I will be basically rebuilding the whole device. I will start with the display assembly. As you can see, this is a brand new part. I've added the lens disassembly crease and the screw mounting hole. So first, let's insert the display. This part is basically the same as in my previous video. Make sure that the ribbon cable is bent at 90 degrees angle. And now the magnifier installation. This part is a bit tricky, since the magnifier has to lie completely flat inside the plastic case. Also make sure that all of the lenses are properly cleaned during the installation. Clean them with alcohol and avoid touching them with your fingers. When you have the lenses in correct spot, clean them again with some more of the alcohol. My lenses aren't super clean anymore, since I've used them for many projects, but if done correctly, yours should be crystal clear. And now you can install the combiner. It should easily slide into the plastic frame. And now use some more of the alcohol to clean the combiner. And now the front glass. Just like before, you put it inside the plastic frame and melt both pieces together using soldering iron. And here I've got the brand new halo. I've added all of the stuff that I was previously talking about. The electronics cover mounting screws, the 3 holes for the accessories, and screw-based display mounting system. Of course, I forgot to remove the support material. Now you should be able to see it clearly. Of course, I also made a new electronics cover. It has only 3 screw holes, but it will work fine. So let's attach the display assembly to the main plastic frame using one self-tapping screw. As you can see, you can now easily adjust the display position. Of course, you can adjust the angle as well. So now let's assemble the electronics. First, connect the ribbon cable to the main driver board. Make sure you are connecting it the right way. And now push the driver board into the plastic part. And now put the whole thing on top of the halo. Now you can use self-tapping screws to close everything up. And now the assembly is pretty much finished. Of course, I've also made an electronics cover with my brand new logo. I will use this one since it looks nicer. And now the Sideloader 3.1 is truly finished. Thanks for watching everyone, and hope to see you in the next video. And as always, huge thanks to my patrons. See you later and goodbye.